Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of people in 2025. Facebook not sending that SMS verification code when you need it most. Whether you're trying to log in, recover your account, or just set up two-factor authentication, this glitch can be a real headache. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that should get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, check your phone's network connection. Make sure you're in an area with strong signal or Wi-Fi, as a weak connection is often the culprit. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Next, double-check the phone number associated with your Facebook account. Head to your account settings, go to Security and Login, and verify that the number is correct and up to date. Sometimes, a simple typo or an outdated entry can block the SMS from sending. If that doesn't work, restart the Facebook app or even your entire device. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system. While you're at it, ensure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs related to notifications and messaging. If you're still stuck, try requesting the code again after a few minutes, as there might be a delay or a temporary server issue on Facebook's end. Another handy tip is to enable alternative verification methods, like using an authenticator app or email, as a backup. If none of these steps do the trick, it might be time to contact Facebook support through their help center. They can investigate if there's an account-specific problem. There you have it. Easy fixes to get that SMS code flowing again. Remember, staying patient and methodical is key. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.